It's never been so easy to cut through food or any other product with a brand new knife, or is it? For the past 10 years, knife production has increased drastically, but quality has dropped as well. Blacksmith heritage is at your fingertips. The Huusk knife is the most versatile and modern knife for every home chef. These knives started their evolution from the origin of the very first knife. In Southwest Asia, around 3000 BC, human beings began to use metal knives. At first, they were made of copper, and then, once people learned how to combine copper with tin, the Bronze Age arrived. After 1,000 years or so, this new wave caught on and spread to Europe. Nowadays, we have the finest knife of them all. The best all-purpose knives are called sentoku. The blade is slightly taller than the average chef's knife, which keeps your knuckles a bit higher off the cutting board. It's great for both chopping and cutting with a rocking motion. Huusk led the way by introducing its signature index finger hole for complete control. Huusk knives were created out of a passion for the art of cooking. The creators wanted to revolutionize the market by being the first to ever create a specialized kitchen knife with a unique blade. Traditional Japanese knife-making techniques were combined with a modern approach, resulting in this remarkable Huusk sentoku knife. This is a culmination of all the best qualities. A knife that's sharp, durable, and comfortable to hold. The handle consists of high-quality oak wood. Oak naturally has a wonderful texture that makes for a perfect grip. Cutting with a knife like this has never been so easy. The blade is composed of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring a sharp quality knife for years to come. Forget those old rusty knives and start using the world's greatest premium control chef's knife. You can only purchase these knives for the next 48 hours. After that, they'll be gone. Only a limited amount are left, and they'll sell out soon. Purchase your very own Huusk knife today.